Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu-Alaikum. My name is Ankaiman and I welcome you to Courselia. In today's video, we are going to solve and discuss the past paper of general knowledge held in PMS 2012. Let's begin with our first question. Which of the following is landlocked? इनमें से कौन सा कंट्री लैंडलॉक्ड कंट्री है? नाइजीरिया, कीनिया, श्रीलंका और युगांडा? The answer is Uganda. Uganda is a landlocked country in East Central Africa. Now the question is, what is a landlocked country? लैंडलॉक्ड कंट्री ऐसा कंट्री होता है जिसकी ओशन तक डायरेक्ट एक्सेस ना हो या फिर वो किसी ऐसे सी के साथ कनेक्टेड ना हो जो कि ओशन से कनेक्ट करे. Nigeria has access to Atlantic Ocean and Kenya and Sri Lanka have access to the Indian Ocean. While Uganda has no access to any ocean, that's why it is called landlocked country. Next question is, Tahrir Square is situated in? Tahrir Square कहाँ वाक़ है? The answer is Cairo, which is the capital of Egypt. Benghazi is a city in Libya. River Nile originates from Lake Nyassa, Cherange Mountains, Lake Victoria, or springs in Kenya. The answer is Lake Victoria. Where is Lake Victoria? It is in Africa. Greenland is located in Greenland, England, Holland, or France. The answer is England. Canton is a city in China, South Korea, Thailand, or Germany. The answer is China. Indonesia and Malaysia are separated by Inaccessible Mountain, Malacca Strait, Gulf of Malaysia, or none of these. To answer this, let's go to the map first. So ये है मलेशिया, ये है इंडोनेशिया और इनके दरमियान जो स्ट्रेट प्रेजेंट है that is Strait of Malacca. So the answer is Strait of Malacca separates Malaysia and Indonesia. Next question. Capital of Zimbabwe is Lagos, Pretoria, Seoul, or none of these. The answer is none of these. And the correct answer is Harare. Capital of Zimbabwe is Harare. Myanmar is the new name of Burma. और इसी से रिलेटेड एक और सवाल भी पूछा जाता है कि the name of Burma was changed to Myanmar in. The answer is 1989. अगला क्वेश्चन है मोरक्को एंड स्पेन आर सेपरेटेड बाय Pyrenees Hills, Strait of Gibraltar, Alps और रिवर राइन. इसका आंसर देखने के लिए भी हम मैप देखेंगे. ये रहा मोरक्को और वो रहा स्पेन. What is in between? Strait of Gibraltar. तो मोरक्को एंड स्पेन आर सेपरेटेड बाय द Strait of Gibraltar. The apex elected body in Israel is called. Apex बोलते हैं हाईएस्ट को. तो हाईएस्ट इलेक्टेड बॉडी इन इसराइल क्या कहलाती है? कांग्रेस, नेसेट, पार्लियामेंट और शूरा. द आंसर इज नेसेट. Communist revolution in Russia took place in the month of October, and communist revolution in Russia is also called as October Revolution. Pulitzer is an American award in the field of letters and journalism, scuba, sports, music. It is an American award in the field of newspapers, magazine, literature, online journalism. That's why the answer is letters and journalism. Next question is the name of US envoy for Afghanistan and Pakistan. In 2012, the answer was Mark Grossman. And now US Special Envoy for Afghanistan is Thomas West. And US Ambassador to Pakistan is Donald Blum. De facto means actual or as a fact, legal, defective, deficient. The answer is actual or as a fact. Carte blanche means wheel in the motion, a blank thing, going by the rules, or full discretionary powers. The answer is full discretionary powers. Corrigendum means things to be corrected, agenda of the meeting, study of some gender, or correspondence. The answer is things to be corrected. Fox pass means a line person, luck, false and incorrect step, or wisdom. The answer is false and incorrect step. अगला सवाल है फिफ्थ कॉलम रेफर्स टू लॉन्ग राइटिंग लॉयल्टी ट्रैकरी और होगो पिलर फिफ्थ कॉलम basically refers to a group of people who are in favor of an enemy group or enemy nation. So the answer is trackery. Pediatrics refers to pediatrics is derived from two Greek words pious and iatros. Pious means child and iatros means healer or doctor, meaning healer of children. That's why the answer is care of children. Pythagoras, geometrician, belonged to Greece. Asian drama was written by. Here something is missing. Asian drama, an inquiry into the poverty of nations, was written by. The answer is Gunnar Myrdal. Next question. Tolstoy was the author of famous novel War and Peace. Which of the following ranks in the Air Force is higher? Squadron leader, Air Commodore, Wing Commander, or Group Captain? The answer is Air Commodore. The headquarters of World Trade Organization is at Geneva. International Court of Justice sits at Brussels, Geneva, London, or Paris. None of the given options is correct. The correct answer is The Hague, Netherlands. Heat received by Earth from the Sun is known as insolation, solar heat, solar radiation, or thermal radiation. The answer is solar radiation. The cheapest source of electricity generation is nuclear, hydel, solar, or thermal. The answer is hydel या hydro. Largest political agency in Pakistan tribal area in terms of area is. The answer was South Waziristan. But this question is not important after the Fatah merger. Lowari Pass connects Dir with Chitral. From Karachi, farthest point on the coastal highway is Pasni, Gwadar, or Mara, or Jiwani. The answer is Jiwani. Circumference of Earth is around 40,000 kilometers. The deepest point in Pacific Ocean is Mariana Trench, Tonga Trench, Puerto Rico Trench, or Java Trench. The answer is Mariana Trench. Mount Kilimanjaro is situated in Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania, or South Africa. The answer is Tanzania, which is in East Africa. Suez Canal links the following seas. ये क्वेश्चन हम 3-4 बार देख चुके हैं और आई होप सो कि आपको याद होगा. रेड सी विद मेडिटेरेनियन सी. खोजक पास is located between Quetta and Chaman. Nearest part of atmosphere to Earth is called troposphere. Colosseum, an amphitheater, was built. An amphitheater is an open air venue for entertainment. So Colosseum was built in Rome. स्पेशल थ्योरी ऑफ रिलेटिविटी, जिसको आप सब E इज इक्वल टू MC स्क्वायर फॉर्मूला से जानते हैं, इट वॉज प्रपोज्ड बाय अल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन. Isaac Newton gave laws of motion and laws of gravitation. Composition of alchemy is written by Jabir bin Hayyan. Next question is also about a book. The book Al-Qanun fil Tib was written by Abu Ali Sina. Chile has a longest shore along Atlantic Sea, Black Sea, Pacific Sea or Mediterranean Sea. It is Pacific Ocean, not Pacific Sea. चिली का लॉन्गेस्ट शोर किसके साथ है, ये देखने के लिए हम देखेंगे मैप. तो जनाब ये रहा चिली, which is indicated by the yellow color. It has the longest shore. किसके साथ है ये शोर? पैसिफिक ओशन के साथ है. So the answer is Pacific Ocean. Growth domestic product in Pakistan is growing at the rate of. करंट रेट की बात करें तो वो 2% है. पुराने डाटा को हमें याद रखने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं. Agriculture, the key sector in Pakistan economy, accounts for. In 2012, the answer was 21% of GDP. Now it is 22.67% of GDP. The Earth is more closer to Sun in January, June, July or September. The answer is January. The time required for a computer to locate and transfer data is called access time. A device which encodes character by mere depression of keys is known as keyboard, mouse, hard drive or printer. The answer is keyboard. Mixture of two metals is called mouse, dispersion, alloy or hard drive. The answer is obvious, that is alloy. The area inside a computer frame and auxiliary storage where data and instructions are stored is called. So where the data and instruction is stored is called memory. An extremely small piece of silicon on which integrated circuits are implicated is called. The answer is chip. The time taken by light to reach Earth from the Sun is 8 minutes 15 seconds or 8 minutes 20 seconds. Mostly the given option is 8 minutes 20 seconds and this figure is the most accepted figure. The shape of our Milky Way galaxy is. There are two MCQs in this question. First जो उसने पूछा and second हमसे ये भी पूछा जाता है कि हमारी गैलेक्सी का नाम क्या है. That is Milky Way. The shape of our Milky Way galaxy is spiral. The coldest planet of our solar system is Saturn. Biman is the airline of Bangladesh. 38th parallel line is a boundary that lies between Myanmar and Thailand, Thailand and Malaysia, South and North Korea, India and China. इसको हम मैप पे देखते हैं. So here is the map. This is North Korea, this is South Korea and the demilitarized zone created between them at the end of World War II is called 38th parallel line. So the answer is 38th parallel line is a boundary that lies between South and North Korea. Oxygen by volume has presence in the atmosphere of about 21%. The brightest planet in the solar system is Venus. The planet with shortest day time is वो planet जहाँ पर दिन का दौरानिया सबसे कम होता है. The planet is Jupiter. Insulin in human body is produced in pancreas. Dynamite was discovered by Daimler, Alfred Nobel, Freud or Mosley. Answer is Alfred Nobel. How far is Dead Sea below Mediterranean? 400 meters. Laws of heredity were discovered by Darwin, Benjamin Franklin, Mendel, or none of these. The answer is Mendel. His laws are also known as laws of inheritance. Nobel Prize in Physics was awarded to Professor Abdus Salam in the year 1979. The longest river is located in. यहाँ पर हमें क्लियरली नहीं बताया गया कि कौन से लॉन्गेस्ट रिवर की बात हो रही है. तो जब ऐसा कोई भी क्वेश्चन आता है तो उसका मतलब होता है लॉन्गेस्ट रिवर ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. इस एमसीक्यू का जवाब देने के लिए हमें यह पता होना चाहिए कि लॉन्गेस्ट रिवर ऑफ द वर्ल्ड कौन सा है. द आंसर इज नाइल एंड द रिवर नाइल इज लोकेटेड इन अफ्रीका. The highest mountain peak, Mount Everest, has been named after Colonel George Everest, who was A. Commandant of 1st Mountain Infantry Unit, B. Surveyor General of India, C. A commander of Golcha Brigade, and D. A political agent in NWFP. The answer is Surveyor General of India. Christopher Columbus, who discovered America, was Spanish, Italian, French, or Dutch. The answer is Italian. The annual average flow of water in Indus River System is 140 million acre feet, 111 million acre feet, 100 million acre feet, or 99 million acre feet. The answer is 140 million acre feet. The single biggest hydel power generating site is situated in Brazil, United States, India, or China. The answer is China. The US Congress and Senate raised the debt limit of US government by. This question is not relevant anymore. IMF and World Bank were created through Treaty of Versailles, Bretton Woods Agreement, Yalta Conference, or New Deal. Both were created through Bretton Woods Agreement. Moorish Kingdom of Granada, Spain, surrendered to Christians in the year 1455, 1492, 1528, or 1557. The answer is 1492. The president of Yugoslavia or Serbia who was indicted and tried by War Criminal Tribunal was Slobodan Milosevic, and he was tried for the crimes against humanity and war crimes. Who was not the member of First Cabinet of Pakistan? Joginder Nath Mindal, Malik Ghulam Muhammad, Sardar Abdurrab Nishtar, Hussain Shahid Sohrawardi. The answer is Hussain Shahid Sohrawardi. President of Syria, Bashar al-Assad, is by faith a Alawi. US President Barack Hussein Obama's father was Nigerian, Egyptian, Kenyan, or Indonesian? The answer is Kenyan. Blind dolphins are found in Nile River, Yangtze River, Ganges River, or none of these. The answer is Ganges River, जिसको दरियाए गंगा भी कहा जाता है, which is in India. The captain of Pakistan cricket team, which defeated England in 1954, was Abdul Hafiz. The first Olympic gold medal for Pakistan was in the Summer Olympic Games of 1955, 1960, 1965, or 1970. The answer is 1960. When Ayub Khan took power in 1958, the Prime Minister of Pakistan was Malik Feroz Khan Noon, Muhammad Ali Bogra, Hussain Shahid Sohrawardi, none of these. The answer is Malik Feroz Khan Noon. The first international flight indentation by PIA was on. पहली PIA की international flight कब शुरू हुई? 1st Feb 1955. The present Deputy Chairman of Planning Commission is, in 2012, he was Dr. Shahid Amjad, and now the present Deputy Chairman of Planning Commission is Muhammad Jahazeb Khan. The present Secretary General of UN is from. The present Secretary General of UN is Antonio Guterres, and he is from Portugal. The cash balance of which company is more than the cash balance of US? The answer is Apple. After the conquest of Punjab, British constituted a three-member board of administration for governing the Punjab. Indicate who was not the member among the following. पंजाब की conquest के बाद ब्रिटिश ने 3-member बोर्ड बनाया फॉर एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ पंजाब. इनमें से कौन उस बोर्ड का मेंबर नहीं था? आंसर इज रॉबर्ट मॉन्टगोमेरी. The father of modern science fiction is H.G. Wells. The office of district magistrate was abolished through Police Order 2002, Amendment in Code of Criminal Procedure, Local Government Ordinance 2001, 17th Amendment in the Constitution. The answer is Local Government Ordinance 2001. Indian Railway started operation in 1853. First International Olympic Games were held in Greece in 1896 in the month of March, April, May, June. The answer is April. One who won Grand Slam in tennis twice is Rod Laver. Hanging Gardens of Babylon were located in the modern-day Iraq. First satellite, Sputnik, was launched in 2 October 1957, 4 October 1957, 6 October 1957, or 8 October 1957. The answer is 4 October 1957. Isaac Newton was a British, a Dutch, an Italian, or a French? He was a British. Turnip is a root described as napiform, fusiform, conical और tuberous. इसको समझने के लिए हम एक डायग्राम की हेल्प लेते हैं ताकि हमें इन तमाम रूट्स की समझ आ जाए कि ये तमाम रूट्स बेसिकली होती कैसी हैं. डायग्राम इज अ लिटिल अनक्लियर बट आई होप सो कि आपको इससे समझ आ जाएगी। सबसे पहले हमारे पास यहाँ पर आ रही है कॉनिकल रूट। अ कॉनिकल रूट इज सच अ रूट विच इज वाइडेस्ट एट द टॉप टैपरिंग स्टेडली टुवर्ड्स द बॉटम। ऊपर से ये वाइडेस्ट होती है लेकिन जैसे जैसे नीचे की तरफ आती जाती है ये टैपर होती जाती है। अगली है फ्यूजिफॉर्म रूट। फ्यूजिफॉर्म रूट is swollen at the middle and tapers gradually at both sides, forming spindle shaped structure. इसमें आप देख रहे हैं कि वो सेंटर से swollen है लेकिन दोनों तरफ से वो lightly gradually taper हो रही है। Third is napiform root. Napiform root becomes swollen and spherical at the upper end, but their lower end is tapered like a thread. इसका जो अपर एंड है वो बहुत ज़्यादा स्वोलन है, स्फेरिकल है, लेकिन जैसे जैसे इसका लोअर एंड आ रहा है तो वो थ्रेड बनता जा रहा है। फोर्थ वन इज ट्यूबरस रूट। अ ट्यूबरस रूट इज मॉडिफाइड एज अ स्टोरेज ऑर्गन विच शूट्स प्रोड्यूस्ड एट वन एंड एंड रूट्स प्रोड्यूस्ड एट द अदर। इसके एक साइड पे शूट्स प्रोड्यूस हो रही होती हैं और एक साइड पे रूट्स प्रोड्यूस हो रही होती हैं। अब हम इनकी एग्जाम्पल भी देख लेते हैं। कॉनिकल रूट की एग्जाम्पल है कैरेट, गाजर। फ्यूजिफॉर्म रूट की एग्जाम्पल है रेडिश, मूली। नैपिफॉर्म रूट की एग्जाम्पल है टर्निप, शलजम। एंड ट्यूबरस रूट की एग्जाम्पल है स्वीट पोटैटो यानी शकरकंदी। सो वी गॉट द आंसर द टर्निप इज अ नैपिफॉर्म रूट। Penicillin was discovered by Victor Fleming, Ian Fleming, Alexander Fleming, or Stephen. The answer is Alexander Fleming. On 18th May 1974, India exploded first nuclear device under the code name of. हम ये क्वेश्चन पहले डिस्कस कर चुके हैं। The answer is Operation Smiling Buddha. The poetry, first written by Allama Iqbal in Persian and then translated into Urdu on popular demand, was Bale Jibreel, Pange Dara, Zarbe Kaleem और अरमगाने हिजाज। शायरी की वो पहली किताब जो इलामा इकबाल ने पहले पर्शियन में लिखी थी लेकिन बाद में उसको उर्दू में ट्रांसलेट किया ऑन पॉपुलर डिमांड। दैट पोइट्री वॉज अरमगाने हिजाज। द बुक Indian Musalmans, published in 1871, was written by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, William Wilson Hunter, Rudyard Kipling, or Amir Ali. The answer is William Wilson Hunter. Indian Rebellion of 1857 began on 10th May from the town of Jhansi, Gwalior, Meerut, or Lucknow. The answer is Meerut. How many sahabas were martyred in the Battle of Badr? कितने सहाबा जंगे बदर में शहीद हुए? The answer is 14. This was the past paper 2012 of PMS General Knowledge. In our next video, we will discuss the past paper of 2014 in detail. For more such videos, subscribe my channel and stay tuned. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.